Welcome to Shift Zone, the place where we break down the latest cars, upcoming models, and future mobility in a clear and engaging way for true automobile lovers. Today on Shift Zone, we are taking a deep and detailed look at the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt, a nameplate that returns with a fresh identity, modern technology, and a strong focus on efficiency, comfort, and global appeal. This new generation Cobalt is designed for drivers who want a reliable, stylish, and value-packed sedan that fits perfectly into modern urban and highway life. The 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt carries a completely refreshed exterior design that reflects Chevrolet's latest global styling language. The front fascia looks sharper and more confident, with a wider grille that blends smoothly into slim LED headlights. The lighting signature gives the car a premium presence, especially at night, while the sculpted hood adds a sense of strength and motion. From the side, the Cobalt features clean character lines, improved proportions, and a more aerodynamic profile that enhances both fuel efficiency and visual appeal. The rear design is simple yet modern, with updated LED tail lamps and a neatly integrated bumper that gives the car a balanced and mature look. Dimensionally, the 2026 Cobalt has grown slightly compared to previous generations, offering better interior space without losing its easy-to-drive nature. The longer wheelbase improves rear seat legroom, making it more comfortable for families and daily commuting. Chevrolet has clearly focused on making this sedan suitable for global markets, especially regions where practicality, durability, and low ownership costs are key priorities. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt feels more modern and refined than ever before. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with improved materials and better fit and finish. Soft touch surfaces are used in key areas, and the overall design feels simple yet functional. At the center of the dashboard sits a large touchscreen infotainment system, expected to be around 10 inches, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is smooth and easy to use, making everyday driving more convenient. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, including speed, fuel efficiency, navigation prompts, and safety alerts. Steering wheel controls are thoughtfully placed, allowing the driver to manage audio, calls, and cruise control without distraction. The seats are designed for comfort on long journeys, with improved cushioning and better support. Rear passengers benefit from increased knee room and headroom, making the Cobalt a practical choice for families and ride-sharing use. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is expected to offer a range of efficient petrol engines tailored for different markets. A 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine is likely to be the standard option, delivering smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. For buyers looking for better performance, a turbocharged petrol variant may also be available, offering stronger acceleration while maintaining efficiency. These engines are expected to be paired with either a manual transmission or a modern CVT or automatic gearbox, depending on the region. Chevrolet has focused on refining the driving experience of the new Cobalt. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads comfortably while maintaining stability at higher speeds. Steering response is light and precise, making the car easy to maneuver in city traffic. Noise insulation has been improved, resulting in a quieter cabin even at highway speeds. This makes the 2026 Cobalt a relaxed and confidence-inspiring car for daily use. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt. Thanks to improved engine technology, better aerodynamics, and lightweight construction, the car is expected to deliver impressive mileage figures. This makes it an attractive option for buyers who want to reduce fuel costs without compromising on space or comfort. Chevrolet's focus on reliability and low maintenance further enhances the long-term value of the sedan. Safety is another area where the 2026 Cobalt shows significant improvement. The car is expected to come with multiple airbags as standard, along with ABS, electronic stability control, traction control, and hill start assist. Higher trims may offer advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and rear parking sensors with a camera. These features help make the Cobalt safer for both new and experienced drivers. In terms of technology, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt is well equipped for modern needs. Along with smartphone connectivity, it may include wireless charging, multiple USB ports, voice commands, and connected car features in select markets. These features allow drivers to stay connected and informed while keeping their focus on the road. Climate control is designed to cool the cabin quickly and efficiently, which is especially important in hot weather regions. The 2026 Cobalt is positioned as a global compact sedan, targeting markets in Asia, the Middle East, South America, and other regions where practical sedans remain highly popular. Chevrolet aims to offer competitive pricing to make the Cobalt accessible to a wide range of buyers, including first-time car owners, families, and fleet operators. The balance between affordability, modern design, and trusted Chevrolet engineering makes it a strong contender in its segment. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt represents a smart evolution of a well-known name. It combines a fresh design, comfortable interior, efficient performance, and modern safety features into a well-rounded package. For drivers looking for a dependable and stylish sedan that delivers value in every aspect, the new Cobalt stands out as a strong choice. With its global focus and practical approach, the 2026 Chevrolet Cobalt proves that compact sedans still have a meaningful place in the future of mobility, and T-Shift Zone will continue to bring you such in-depth looks at the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.